for young people in the community to see players, professional athletes who look like them, to come to their community is really powerful in terms of inspiring and providing hope and opportunity for those young people.
This effort finds a perfect home in Oscar Charleston Park. 1, 2, 3,
people that look like me to know what it's like that they can make it. I think this is really cool because it just gives kids a safe environment to come and play. They're getting comfortable. Just from today, it was so fun to see how loose the kids got and just to learn like what their ambitions were in life.